Q&A Monday. So welcome. What is our question for today?
Okay, so our question for today is, what are the top 3 property styling tricks? This is a hard one. We have so many.
I think declutter. Declutter is definitely one of the biggest issues I find that homeowners have when getting their property ready for sale.
Yeah.
Store away, pack away, throw half your things away, or start packing half the things I think you have.
Yeah, that's right. Very good one. The second one I would say is make sure that there's enough flow and movement for buyers. And show buyers where to go. You know, we had a place that we styled where the doors were closed, and one of the doors actually had an ensuite bathroom. So if it was closed, a buyer might come in, look at the room and go, okay, but actually not see there's an ensuite. So make sure that you kind of navigate them where to go and look.
And you'll think sometimes the agents will do it. They don't always do it. So it's up to the homeowner to actually, take responsibility and show them. We had a laundry built in a hallway cupboard, and the doors were closed, and everyone's like, well, there's no laundry, until we opened the doors and say, well, here it is, showed them. So yeah, back to your point, that's very important. In the kitchen the other day, where they had the extra nook, I thought it's kitchen cupboards, but when you open the kitchen cupboards, you actually go through to the back where there's a separate washing area, which was like, wow, mind-blowing.
That was pantry.
Yeah, people have 15 minutes to go through your property, so make sure they see the amazing things in your property.
Yeah. And last but not least, mirrors. Wow. Mirrors, especially if it's a small space or where there's not a lot of natural light coming in, a mirror can actually reflect light. It can make it seem more open and spacious, if you position it in a room, because it actually just reflects all the areas, and you can make it seem spacious.
Except that people love themselves. They love looking at themselves and seeing themselves. And actually I heard if you visually see yourself in the space, you can imagine yourself. So a mirror, you immediately see yourself in the house. So go for gold.
That's it.
All right,
that's our top 3.
Thanks for the question.
Yeah. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
We're super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, themselves, DIY styling.
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com, and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.